Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing a few essentials and starting the first sync. Open Google Photos, sign in, and grant storage permissions so the app can save image files. Next, choose specific albums or folders to prioritize. This reduces data and ensures the exact content you need is cached. Once done, tap the three-dot menu on an album and pick Download or Make Available Offline. This starts the local copy immediately so you can use photos without connectivity. Now you'll manage the more detailed steps that control how offline works. Decide whether to download individual items or entire albums. Albums are faster for batches. Individual saves let you be selective. Make sure Backup and Sync is configured to avoid re-upload conflicts. Turn it off if you only want local copies. Also choose High Quality to save space or Original to keep full resolution. This affects how much device storage is consumed. Once configured, Photos will keep the local files usable offline. Finish by verifying and handling common problems so offline use is reliable. Put your device in airplane mode, open the app, and confirm the downloaded albums and images load correctly. This proves the local cache works. If storage runs low, free up space by deleting unneeded originals or switching to high quality. Make sure to back up critical files first. If some photos aren't available, clear the app cache, restart the app, and re-download the affected albums. This usually resolves sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.